Are you ready to take your running to the next level? Whether you are a beginner lacing up for your first 5K or a seasoned marathoner chasing that personal best, the right Garmin running watch can be a game changer. With so many options flooding the market in 2026, finding the perfect blend of features, battery life, and value can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we have done the hard work for you. Today, we are breaking down the 5 best Garmin running watches that cater to every budget and every runner. From rugged adventure companions to lightweight performance powerhouses, there is something here for everyone. Stick around to find your perfect running partner. All the best buy links for these watches are waiting in the description below. If this helps you, please hit that like button, share it with your running crew, and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews. Let us hit the ground running. Starting at number 1, we have the Garmin Instinct 3, which brings a completely different style to Garmin's lineup with its rugged, adventure-focused design available in a bright array of colors. You can choose between an AMOLED and MIP display with the Instinct 3, and it comes in 2 sizes, 45mm and 50mm, so you can pick what fits your wrist best. Whichever version you go for, you get excellent battery life and reliable tracking that you can count on during long expeditions. The AMOLED Instinct 3 is impressively long-lasting, but the solar model is the one that truly shines, lasting weeks on a single charge if you are constantly outside in sunny conditions. The only big drawback is that it doesn't come with offline maps. Garmin continues to reserve those for its most expensive watches, which is a strange omission for an adventure-focused timepiece. Still, for runners who prioritize durability and battery life over navigation, this is a fantastic choice. Moving on to number 2, we have the Garmin Forerunner 165, a watch that has been superseded by newer models but remains an incredible value option. While the Forerunner 70 and 170 offer more extensive training analysis and Garmin's new user interface, the Forerunner 165 is still just as accurate a run tracker as the new watches and has smart features that the 70 lacks. This makes it a compelling option for new runners in particular who want reliable tracking without the complexity of advanced metrics. If you do not need the extra training analysis features on the newer watches, then the Forerunner 165 offers better value, especially since it is often reduced in sales. It is the perfect entry point for anyone looking to get serious about their running without breaking the bank. Number 3 is the Garmin Forerunner 965, an older watch but one that has a strong claim to be the best value option in Garmin's range now that it is frequently available at discounted prices. It has most of Garmin's key sports and navigation features packed into a lightweight watch that offers impressive battery life despite its large, vibrant AMOLED screen. There are some important updates on the newer Forerunner 970, including a more durable sapphire crystal screen, a built-in flashlight, and a more accurate heart rate sensor. However, the Forerunner 965 remains an excellent option for runners and is definitely worth checking out if you want a top-tier Garmin for roughly half the price of flagship models like the Fenix 8. It is a sweet spot of performance and value. Number 4 is the Garmin Forerunner 265, a watch that helps you train brilliantly with its colorful AMOLED touchscreen display and standout training readiness feature. This tells you exactly when you are primed for a productive session, helping you crush your goals with confidence. Wake up to your morning report with HRV status, giving you health insights alongside an overview of sleep, recovery, and training outlook. Plan your race strategy with the Race widget, which enables personalized daily suggested workouts that adapt to your performance, recovery, and the specific course you are running. You can also make the most of every run with wrist-based running power and multi-band GPS, and when you want to switch it up with cross-training, choose from more than 30 activity profiles, including triathlons, cycling, and swimming. It offers up to 13 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, and while it has been replaced by the Forerunner 570, the upgrades on the newer model are not huge, making this older version a fantastic find in sales. Finally, number 5 is the Garmin Epix Pro, the predecessor of the Fenix 8 AMOLED that remains a high-performance powerhouse. This ultimate smartwatch features a stunning AMOLED display and goes longer between charges with up to weeks of battery life in smartwatch mode. Rise to any challenge with advanced training features like Hill Score, which measures your climbing performance over time, and real-time stamina updates that gauge your endurance potential. The bright LED flashlight provides convenient illumination when you need it, and 24/7 health monitoring features such as advanced sleep tracking and HRV status give you a complete picture of your wellness. Navigate with preloaded topo-active maps and ski resort maps, and gain superior positioning accuracy in any environment thanks to multi-band and multi-GNSS with SAT-IQ technology. While it lacks the dive-proof design and microphone of the Fenix 8, it still has all of Garmin's best navigation features, top-notch tracking, and detailed training analysis in a hardy, good-looking watch that comes in 3 sizes. It is another excellent alternative to the Fenix 8 to hunt for in sales. And there you have it, the 5 best Garmin running watches for 2026 to help you track, train, and conquer your goals. Whether you are eyeing the rugged Instinct 3 or the value-packed Forerunner 965, there is a perfect watch here for every runner and every budget. To grab these amazing timepieces at the best prices, check out the buy links in the description below right now. If this review helped you make a decision, please smash that like button, share it with your running buddies, and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on the next run. See you in the next one.